बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम लेडीज़ एंड जेंटलमैन। मैं हूं आपका होस्ट जुनेद एग्रेरियन और आप देख रहे हैं एग्रेरियन टॉक। लेडीज़ एंड जेंटलमैन, जैसा कि आपको पता है कि हमने अपने यूट्यूब चैनल के ऊपर ओटीएस के डिफरेंट टेस्ट के हवाले से एक सीरीज़ का आगाज़ किया है, जिसमें हम उसकी प्रिपरेशन, उसके हवाले से हेल्पिंग नोट्स और प्रिपरेशन मेथडोलॉजी के बारे में आपसे डिस्कस करते हैं। तो आज हम ZTPL की जो सीट्स ओटीएस ने अनाउंस की हैं और इसका जो टेस्ट कंडक्ट करेंगे, उस हवाले से पास्ट पेपर जो कि 2 दिसंबर 2018 में जो है वो कंडक्ट किया था ओटीएस ने, उसको जो है वो आपके सामने प्रेजेंट करते हैं, ताकि आपको एक आइडिया हो कि किस तरह का जो है वो पेपर पूछ सकते हैं और किस तरह की तैयारी जो है वो आपको टाइमलाइन एक अडाप्ट करनी चाहिए। तो इस हवाले से आपको बताता चलूँ कि 3 मेजर पोर्शन, जिसमें एग्रीकल्चर के 10 MCQs हैं, उसके बाद 20 मार्क्स जो हैं वो आपके जॉब रिलेटेड प्रोफेशन से हैं, और 20 मार्क्स जो हैं वो जनरल नॉलेज के इस फर्स्ट लेक्चर के अंदर हमने आपसे शेयर किए हैं। और बाकी इंग्लिश ग्रामर एंड कंप्रीहेंशन और एनालिटिकल क्वेश्चन जो है वो हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर के अंदर आपसे शेयर करेंगे। तो आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल अग्रेरियन टॉक को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल के बटन पर क्लिक करें, और अपने सोशल सर्कल के अंदर जो है वो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जो है वो रेफ़र करें, ताकि लोग इसको सब्सक्राइब करें और हमारी अपडेट जो हैं वो उन तक भी पहुंचती रहें। तो मैं अभी रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ मोहम्मद रिजवान भाई से कि वो पास्ट पेपर सेशन का आगाज़ जो है हमारे स्मार्ट बोर्ड के ऊपर करें। आप सबकी समातों का बेहद शुक्रिया।
जी एग्रीरियंस तो स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो। ओटीएस पास पेपर है ज़रूरी तरक्याती बैंक का फॉर ऑफिसर ग्रेड 3 के लिए। ये 2 दिसंबर 2018 को हुआ था। और इसके जो वैसे तो ये एक्सपेक्टेड सिलेबस है, इस बार में भी चेंज हो सिलेबस, तो वो जो भी होगा वो आपके साथ इंशाल्लाह किसी वीडियो में शेयर कर देंगे। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहले कुछ एग्रीकल्चर के हम क्वेश्चन देखते हैं जी। तो पहला है विच इज द मेन सोर्स ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर क्रेडिट। सो स्टेट बैंक, कमर्शियल बैंक, ज़री तरक्याती बैंक, नन ऑफ दीज, एंड द आंसर इज ज़री तरक्याती बैंक। नेक्स्ट है जी ओलेरिकल्चर इज द स्टडी डीलिंग विद vegetable production, honeybee production, ornamental production, flowers, and none of these, and the answer is vegetable production. Question number 3. Afforestation mean forest research station to convert land into forest, utilization of forest product, and none of these, and the answer is to convert land into forest. Contribution of agriculture to GDP is 25%, 50%, 75%, none of these, and the answer is none of these. Agriculture extension relates to modernization of agriculture machinery, financial help to the farmers, educating farmers, none of these, and the answer is educating farmers. Banana fruit is classified in the category drupe fruit, pomes fruit, berry fruit, none of these, and the answer is berry fruit. Which type of credit is advanced in agriculture sector? Industrial credit, semi-agricultural credit, agricultural credit, yeah, none of these. And the answer is semi-agricultural credit. Older the rice, worse in price, damaged in shape, cheaper in price, yeah, none of these. And the answer is worse in price. Super Basmati is a variety of what? Rice, wheat, sugarcane, maize, rice. Agriculture occupies a significant position in the starting of economic development in Pakistan, and policy measures must be devised to improve and achieve higher rate of growth because क्योंकि it contributes maximum to the national income more than other sector. It is a source of livelihood for big proportion of population and is also base of industrial development. Both A and B are none of these, and the answer is both A and B. What is OTP in credit card transaction? Odd transaction password, honor is trading passcode, one time password, one time pin code, and the answer is one time password. E-banking is synonymous with table banking, internet banking, phone banking, none of these, and the answer is internet banking. Planning is a dash process, goal oriented, flexible, time bound, all of these. The answer is all of these. When a company taken over another one and clearly becomes the new owner, the action is called merger, acquisition, strategic alliance, and none of these. Acquisitions. The features of the commercial paper are it is unsecured instrument issued in the form of promissory note. The high-rated corporate borrowers can raise short-term funds through this instrument. It is an additional instrument to the investing community. Yeah, all of above. And the answer is all of the above. Relaxing the restrictions and control imposed on business and industry. इसको क्या कहते हैं? Liberalization, privatization, globalization, या none of these? And the answer is liberalization. A dash card is basically a payment mechanism which allows the holder of the card to make purchase without any immediate cash payment. So ATM, credit, debit, yeah, none of these. And the answer is credit. Which among these is not a method of privatization? Denationaliz- uh, Denationalization, franchising, sale of business, all of the above. And the answer is sale of business. Banking ombudsman may reject the complaint immediately after receipt, after hearing both the parties, at any stage, none of these, at any stage. Which among these is not a restrictive trade practice? Tie-up states, price discrimination, manipulation of price, all of the manipulation of price. In order to control credit and investment, the central bank of country should sell securities in the open market and hike the cash reserve ratio, buy securities in the open market and lower the cash reserve ratio, buy securities from the open market and hike the cash reserve ratio, sell securities in the open market and lower the cash reserve ratio. And the answer is sell securities in the open market and hike the cash reserve ratio. The most important reason for an investor to prefer a bank deposit is the credit worthiness of the bank, because the bank does not invest in securities. That bank offers a guarantee. All of these. The credit worthiness is of the bank. Which one of the following is not an instrument of credit control in the banking system? Open market operations, cash reserve ratio, tax rate, all of these. Tax rate is the answer. Which commercial bank do not perform one function out of the following? Mobilization of saving, giving loans and advance, issue current notes, financing priority sectors. Issue current notes. Company images and brand equity is factor affecting business. Externally, internally, government policy, none of these. Externally. Retail banking mean credit facilitation extended to retail trader, providing personal banking service directly to the consumer, collecting of large number of dividend interest warrants, all of the above. Providing personal banking service directly to the consumer. Retail banking का मतलब है. Dash is an economic system based on the principle of free enterprise. Capitalism, socialism, mixed economy, modern. And the answer is capitalism. Which need comes last in the Maslow's need hierarchy? So safety needs, self-actualization, belongingness, and love needs, या self-esteem. Self-actualization. The maturity period of Treasury bill is 91 days, 364 days, both A and B, none of these. Both A and B. Which one is not marketable security? Corporate securities, bank deposit, deposit with companies, none of these. Bank deposits. Cairo is the capital of which country? Ireland, Egypt, Georgia, Hail. And the answer is Egypt. APNS is the abbreviation of Association with Pakistan Newspaper Society, All Pakistan Newspaper Society, American Press Newspaper Society, All Pakistan National Society. And the answer is All Pakistan Newspaper Society. SDI is the abbreviation of Strategic Defense Initiative, Senior Defense Initiative, Strategic District Initiative, the Strategic Defense Information. And the answer is Strategic Defense Initiative. The largest city of Turkey is Istanbul, Birol, Ankara, Cairo. And the answer is Istanbul. Name of the currency of South Africa: Rand, Lira, Lakh, none of these. And the answer is, which is the capital of Germany? Munich, Berlin, Paris, none of these. And the answer is Berlin. The largest reserves of fresh water on the Earth's surface is in North America, South America, Russia, Africa. North America. IMF is the abbreviation of Internal Monetary Fund, Initial Monetary Fund, International Monetary Finance, and International Monetary Fund. And the answer is International Monetary Fund. EFTA is abbreviation of Eastern Free Trade Association, European Finance Trade Association, European Free Trade Association या European Free Trade Alliance, and the answer is C option, European Free Trade Association. PTBB is the abbreviation of Punjab Text Book Board, Partial Tessie, Band Treaty, both of these, none of these. Punjab Text Book Board. The world's largest silver producing country is Canada, Australia, Russia, Mexico. Mexico is the answer. Transportation and trade are primary activities, secondary activities, tertiary activities, none of these. Tertiary activities. The mountain peak of Takht-e-Sulmani is in Yemen, Turkey, Pakistan, Iran. Pakistan is the answer. Maximum quantity of diamonds are found North America, South America, India, Africa. And the answer is Africa. The Shandur Pass at the height of 12,205 feet connects Chitral and Gilgit, Chitral and Bannu, Mardan and Malakand, Gilgit and Kashgar. And the answer is Chitral and Gilgit. The world's most populous city is Mexico, Beijing, Calcutta, Tokyo. And the answer is Tokyo. Which is the most urbanized division of Punjab? Multan, Rawalpindi, Sargodha, ya Lahore? And the answer is Lahore. The maximum number of persons populated in 1 square kilometer of area are in Punjab, Sindh, and WFP, Islamabad. The answer is Punjab. Who issued 2 rupee note in Pakistan? Government of Pakistan, State Bank of Pakistan, both of the above, none of the above. State Bank of Pakistan. The domestic production of crude oil in the country is approximately per day 44,300 barrels, 65,200 barrels, 70,000 barrels, none of these. And the answer is none of these. पाकिस्तान की बात ही थी यहाँ पे इस क्वेश्चन में। तो ये G50 कुछ MCQs थे पास पेपर से जो आपके साथ शेयर किया। नेक्स्ट भी हम शेयर करते रहेंगे मजीद पास पेपर के पोर्शंस भी और पास पेपर्स भी। चैनल को आप कर दीजिएगा सब्सक्राइब। वीडियो देखने का शुक्रिया। अल्लाह हाफिज़।